Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK areas. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, the Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing one another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, recently there was a report that Lisa Hype is with child. And recently we see her in the headlines apologize to a number of other female artists who she has had, you know, lyrical discrepancies with in the dancehall industry. Now she take it a step further. Some would say even too far. But not she receive no support, viewers and subscribers, from no member of the Gaza Nation. Me myself, when me she say sorry. Me I say yeah, it's all well and good for you to say sorry for you, but you know what I mean? Make another individual speak for himself. Now, viewers and subscribers, separate and apart from that, unity in the camp, everything good. This was just basically disciplinary action. The teacher make you know, so watch you know, this are theme statements. This is how him feel about the situation. Now the teacher said, I never beg for a morning and now evening. Too late for you apologize. You even caption it with the song itself. It's too late. You even caption it with the song itself. He said, go look out no more. He said, big up my protege, Lisa Hype. But he said, hold on. And when since you get so friendly, he said, stop it, Felicia. Call her by her correct name, and if you know anything, when we are all our reasoning, if I stop calling by your nickname or your stage persona, I'm going to call you by your first name, your government name. You know I'm serious about the something. Very serious about the something. Now, viewers and subscribers, you know it. Look, if I have done nothing wrong, we may say sorry for. Notice the teacher track record. Even if he made have personal issues with other artists, there was a situation between him and another artist. And them to work out that. Me can't work out that Vybz Kartel and any other individual. And him say at this point in time, him not free for work out nothing. Him and the ladies alone work out, viewers and subscribers. Him a deal them career, him a deal them youth them career. Him a move the nation forward. We not pay attention to the other people we used to link with. And I'm not burn bridge settings. But we have cut ties with these individuals. And we have moved forward. When an individual chooses to say that, you have to just know, say, yo, that is a decision made by the individual and we have moved forward. Now, as I say, I don't know for the hormones. Make Lisa, it'll be that tell the world sorry. When she says sorry to he, she, and the old lady, as Vybz Kartel that said. Big up, mama. She have some new song forward out too. You know what I mean? Just still continue our musical journey. If she is really with child for true, well, congratulations, mama. You know what I mean? You have to just keep your hormones in check. So the teacher to deal with the teacher situations. You know what I mean? When him says so, then I saw him say. When him not say so, then you have to wait until they hear him say. You know what I mean? And at this point in time, I don't even feel like there are any other individuals out there where I wait for an apology from Vybz Kartel. Who and the teacher have a falling out, them know what them do. Them know where them go wrong, them know what was said, what transpired. Them themselves are move on. You know what I mean? Sad situation for see. The teacher offer, you know what I mean? Page her though. You know the something go. I make sure you know say, watch your mama. Know where you do. No matter ramp with me. You know what I mean? Being that she's a person from the foundation days. You know what I mean? From the Portmore Empire days. She's supposed to know the something go. So I know I go on and she make a statement and the teacher addressed her. But everything is good. You even tag her in the post and everything. And she even responded to the post and I laughed, she laughed both. So, you know, the teacher, while being serious about the situation, being serious about the statement, I don't know what we're going to get. You know what I mean? Expanded out of proportion. On the street, I'm not going to say blow out of proportion. I don't think down in the mind. Why phone? No blow out of proportion. Expanded. Yes, you have to get your vocabulary up. Choice of words. Now, viewers and subscribers, The teacher even have a song with Lisa Hype slated to be released soon and very soon. Not touch the streets yet. So them even have productions on the way. So for all who wonder if Lisa get put out of the Gaza, no one, the people may have met them statement there because I don't like to hear when things like this transpire. Yeah, these are the things they want to thrive upon. When I say, alright, them not good, things are going, no, everything is alright. Them say 7 brother, 7 different minds. Especially now with a man and a female. Especially when somebody make a statement about another individual's life. So when somebody else decides to know, when you say a Clarks me never van, no, and never the Clarks me never van. You know what I mean? Yeah. And the Gucci flip flops, me that wear that did it. That don't mean so we have a, you know what I mean? No misunderstanding no go on. Listen. We just point out say no, you might just get it wrong. You probably that do something else. Something go. You know what I mean? Yeah, we are character, you are human being too. So we are reminding us say no. And that's how we angle our situations. The teacher pointed that out. But I know what you feel, viewers and subscribers. Majority of fans that say, yo, what she apologize for? Then again, she gonna say on behalf, what she told to make this apology. I say it, I go look like she was, you know what I mean, charged with making that apology. But it was not so. She did do it after, you know? What she probably feel like was good intentions. But the media, there is a conglomerate considered as the media, viewers and subscribers, and statements might be misconstrued. And when you're going to say, yeah, apologize on behalf of the teacher, it's almost like you yourself are admitting that the teacher went wrong in some way, shape, or form. And you can't do that. Because who are you to say the teacher got wrong in her career? Because I'm musically she talk about. Yes, for all who feel like Sarah, no. She never talk about the way teacher had personal issues with. No, that was not where she was going with it. She talk about the music industry. Just the music. Majority of these individuals, they don't know Adidja Palmer the individual. They don't want to reason with Adi. They know of Vybz Kartel and his music and his musical contributions. And some people, whether they did want to be the king, or they did want to have the number one song, or they did want to have the best song for the juggling with him, whatever the case was. And they might have felt offended by certain statements of truth the teacher mentioned. They might have said, oh, the teacher shouldn't did say it. The teacher said, nah, apologize for it. Him not make or fabricate these statements. So remember, it's almost like me, I say, yo boy, that car is not new. Because you that parade as if the car is new, as in the case with French Montana overseas. And me I say, yeah, you buy that car from Smarty. And you might have never won, but you didn't know that. But the statement. But it was a true statement. It's just that that's something you that keep a secret. When me apologize for that. I said the truth. And I like this was a fabrication. Then I make it up. A fact. The car was not new. So we're not going to apologize for a statement that is true. So when somebody else go forward and want to say them apologize on behalf of me for my truthful statement, of course I'm going to say, oh no, man, I apologize. What kind of apologize? The teacher make sure say put out the picture. And him about in locks. Even verses that did say, we not apologize to nobody. We not do. Especially when we know we're correct. Lisa, as ever, you know the something go. You know what I mean? One thing about Lisa Hyper as an individual, you must say this. That girl thick skin, meaning say, not because you said this about her means you can get her down. No. Mama go and do her thing, she push and she persevere. When the photo did surface and the whole island I said this and I said Ray, Mama say yo, I say Vybz Kartel straight. But I feel like it's a switch into something. Feel like a light bulb that I turn on and off. She said no switching in her something, viewers and subscribers. A teacher, she said straight. And see it years now later, even featured on one of the biggest albums of the decade. You know what I mean? So, even when statements like this surface and people say, boy, teacher Pedro and Ray and, you know what I mean? Look into it. She know the settings go. You know what I mean? Or just the fact that somebody I point out say, yo, we don't want people feel like say, yo, we did tell you for say that. And then them go feel like say, hey. So we are clear the ear from now. You know what I mean? Yeah, before people can't see beyond the smoke and mirrors. We are clear the ear from now. So there are no illusions, brothers and subscribers. The teacher and I apologize for nobody. Vice the one called Jayden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, it's a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, the like icon there too. Drop a like on the blog for me, like where you hear. Share icon is in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop the thoughts, comments and your opinions there. You know, move settings spam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that we don't live, love and prosper until we reason again.